Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, FWD, integrated turn signal mirrors. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.